Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, kindly do so and turn on the notification bell to stay tuned. And today I'm going to show you
6 ways to make money on YouTube. The golden question is, how do you make money on YouTube? Your channel needs some traffic before you start making money. But if you use these strategies correctly, you do not need millions of views to make a living from YouTube. The article will cover the business aspect of YouTube. You can apply one or several of these methods to your channel. Here are 6 ways to make money on YouTube. 1. Google AdSense. The most obvious choice is to make money by saving ads on your videos, which can become a form of passive income. Ads can play before people watch your video. Throughout the video or at the end, sometimes you can have multiple ads on play on one video. It's also important to know every channel has a different CPM. For example, personal finance channels pay a lot more than prank channels. This can be something to keep in mind when brainstorming video topics or starting a channel. There are also many other factors that affect your CPM. We find some articles for you below. What affects your CPM? Tips to raise your YouTube CPM. Requirements. To put ads on your channel, you must have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of overall watch time on your channel within the past 12 months. Number 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, aka referral marketing, is the process of earning commission for promoting a company's products or services. Many of the top YouTubers always say click the link on the description to buy. Sometimes that is an affiliate link, and if you purchase the product through their special link, they will earn a commission. You can do affiliate marketing for any genre or channel, and it's very effective if the product or service resonates with your audience. To give you an example, Amazon has an affiliate program. When you get accepted, you can promote anything on Amazon's websites and receive up to 10% commission. There are many companies that have affiliate programs. Usually it says on the footer of their website affiliate, or you can type company name affiliate program into Google. 3. Selling products. This is another more obvious way of making money through YouTube. You can sell merchandise and clothing to your local fans who wants to support you. Many high-level YouTubers make most of their money through merchandise. In fact, Logan Paul said that he made over 1 billion in one day on Black Friday. To sell merchandise, you can find a supplier locally. You can also find a print-on-demand service such as Teespring, Spreadshirt, or many more. 4. Sell informational products. Online educational is the only reason people are spending lots of money in this category. If you run a successful channel or have some knowledge that your viewers would like to know, you can sell a course, ebook, or consulting to your audience. The best part is you don't need lots of views to make money from this. If you are doing consulting, for example, you only need a convince of a handful of clients and can charge them from a lot of money. For your product to be successful, you should over-deliver the price they paid for it. Some genres of YT channels have better opportunities to do this, i.e. cooking DIY business channels. But you can actually sell a course about anything you know. You can create a course with Teachable, which is what Graham Stephan uses, a YouTuber who makes over 100,000 a month from YouTube. Sponsorship. Number 5. Brand details. Many brands have a good amount of money for YouTubers to place their products somewhere in their videos or mention a few good words about it. One example is Tech Review channel where YouTubers talk about new products and review them. If brands are not reaching out to you yet, you can still get sponsorship, but you have to reach out them. To form these relationships, you need some type of audience established. Then you can email brands and ask if they can have an influencer program. Then you can negotiate and see if they are interested in working with you. Number 6, donations, i.e. Patreon. Sometimes YouTube have their channels completely funded by donations from their fans. Patreon is a service that lets your fans pay a membership for you. Example, shillings 5 per month. You can also give fans incentive to sign up by offering them inclusive videos or benefits. Some channels that do this are documentary channels that have the AdSense disabled, creators that want to focus on quality content, not clickbait stuff, and many more. Final words: whether you are already monetized or plan on the future, it's good to plan out your options. You can also combine some of this and have multiple flows of income. Some channels will better be suited for these strategies than others, but it's good to be aware of all them.
Thank you very much for watching my video. Kindly leave a comment on the comment section below. If you have not subscribed, kindly do so, and let us meet in the next lesson. Bye bye. Hello guys.